Hello kids, let's read some sentences using these short words he, she and it. Geeta is a girl. She has a doll. She plays with the doll. Look at Seema. She reads a book. She is a good girl. Ravi is a boy. He has a ball. He has a bat too. Look at Deepu. He jumps on the bed. He is a naughty boy. Kitty is a cat. It is white. It has a cap. Danny is a dog. It is black. It has a bone. Now students, the underlined words Geeta, Seema, girl, Ravi, Deepu, boy, cat, dog are called naming words or nouns. And the short words he, she, it, which we have used in the place of these nouns are called replacing words or pronouns. Now we know that he pronoun can be used for singular male. She pronoun can be used for any singular female, and it pronoun can be used for any singular animal or thing. Three pronouns he, she and it, they are called personal pronouns, and this he pronoun can be used for any one boy, father, brother, uncle, son, king, and for any one man. She pronoun can be used for girl, mother, sister, aunt, daughter, queen, woman. And it pronoun can be used for any animal like dog, cat, or any place like school, home, any city like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, or anything like pencil, ball, pen, school bag, table, chair, any one thing. Let's fill in the blank with he, she or it. My father goes to the office, dash goes in a car. Here we will use he because my father is a singular male. My grandmother is old, dash tells me stories. Now which pronoun will come here? She, because my grandmother is a woman. She tells me stories. Rohan is a good boy, dash works hard. And here, in the place of Rohan, we will use yes, he. Cow is a pet animal, dash gives us milk. Who gives us milk? Cow. And in the place of cow, we will use the pronoun it. I sit on a chair, dash is made of wood. What is made of wood? Chair. But for the place of chair, we will use the pronoun it. It is made of wood. In the place of singular noun, we can use he, she and it. But what if the noun is plural? If there is more than one boy or girl or thing? Means if there are many boys, girls or things, which pronoun will you use? Our next video is on this topic. What are the other personal pronouns? So stay tuned in, keep watching RJ Learning Fun because here learning is always